today. So today I wanted to share with you that it is time for me to do another design team call. My design teams go for 5 months and we take December off and then we take January off because I like to use January sort of as a reset and be able to have time to, put things away from the holidays and figure out what some of my goals are for the new year and all of that good stuff. Both sessions of design team are 5 months. But before we get into all the details, I wanted to thank my current design team members. Thank you to Cindy A. Lewis, who is on YouTube and Instagram and also Facebook. Thank you to Annie T, and she is a member of my design team that is on Instagram. Thank you to Qualita's Creations and Maria's Miscellany. Thank you to Dorothy Kilty, Sassy Southern NC Girl. Thank you to Joy Crowley, and also to Aspire to Inspire. And that's Helen, and Helen is a guest designer. So I want to talk to you about the regular design team and guest designers because I'm doing a call for both. So let's go over guest designer first. If you'd like to be a guest designer, you can email me at jovi.50000@gmail.com. And as a guest designer, you simply pick the digital print or kit that you want to work with, and I will send you the link to it so you don't pay for that. And then you create a project just like a regular DT member. But you can do that as few times in the 5 months as you would like to. So you can do it once, you can do it twice, whatever. It's completely up to you. And you don't have to do it within like a certain month. You can just take your time, make your project. You can do as many videos as you want, as long as there is a completed project using the kit. That would be the end goal. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about that, let me know. Now, if you wanted to be on the design team, not as a guest designer, but as a full member, then you would create a project every month for 5 months. So you're gonna make 5 projects in 5 months. Again, you can make as many videos as you want using your process or whatever, but you don't have to. But if you want to, you can. And then as long as there is a video with a completed project showcasing the kit, that's the thing. So the next term that's coming up is going to be from July to November, and then we're off. Now, current members can stay on if they'd like to, but if they need a break, that's okay too. And also I wanted to mention that I know that life happens, and if you're a part of my design team and something comes up and you're like, I cannot get a project done, fully completed this month, just let me know. And that is okay because I know that life happens. Things come up. So that's perfectly fine. I want it to be a joy for anybody who's on the team and not a stressful situation. So just communicate with me and let me know what's going on, and it's just no big deal. So anyway, if you would like to be part of my design team, again, email me at jovi.50000@gmail.com, and I'll be sure to put that in my description box below. I will make announcements either mid-month or the 3rd week because I'd like to give people time to get a project started before July if they want to. Another requirement is to do the project, share it on YouTube, and then if you have other social medias, it would be awesome if you shared it there too. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell for the design team. But if you have questions, let me know. And then also I just want to mention that I frequently either hold collaborations or now I'm kind of getting into swaps a little bit. And so I always reach out to my design team to ask if you'd like to be part of those. But it's not a requirement, just so you know. And frequently, especially if it's a collaboration, it can be counted as your design team project. Well, that's it for that, my friends. I hope that you will consider joining. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.